I'm really excited to announce this brand new feature that allows your app users the ability to use comments inside your courses. With this new release, your users can now read and add comments to their LearnDash lessons and topics straight from your app. This comment section is a fantastic way to review and respond to your course attendees, answering any questions they may have, and also helps increase user engagement within the app. While this new feature is enabled for all apps, you do need to have comments enabled inside LearnDash. So let's jump into the WordPress backend as I show you how to enable comments for both lessons and topics. By default, LearnDash does not enable comments on the lessons and topics, so we're going to go ahead and enable them. To do this, I'm going to go to my WordPress backend and go to LearnDash LMS, Lessons, and then Settings. Scroll down until you find the section titled Lesson Custom Post Type Options. Then to enable comments, you just need to click the checkbox under the editor supported settings. Then click Save. Now we're going to do exactly the same for topics. After that, you need to make sure comments are enabled on all the lessons and topics that have previously been published. For example, let's go back to the lessons and click Edit on the history lesson of the Cybersecurity Standards course. Then on the right hand side of the lesson page, we're going to enable Allow Comments under the Discussions tab and then click Update. If you have a lot of lessons already published, you can do this from the lessons or topics main page and use the bulk edit option to enable comments in one big action. Now, if you've already enabled lessons and topics in the past, all your previous comments posted on your website will automatically be shown in the app. Now, with all that saved, let me take you back into the app to show you how it looks. Here I am on the Courses tab on my app. Let's open the Cybersecurity Standard course and we're going to go into the ISO 27001 lesson. And as you'll see here, there's a new comments icon next to the course navigation buttons. If we click on the icon, it will now open a brand new modal that will display all the comments if there are any. Let's just type a comment in here now. And then if we click the send icon, you will see the post is now in the comments section. And just like that, the page will refresh, showing you the latest comment. You can also reply to other users' comments, or if you've made a mistake, you can click on the three dots to delete your post. Ultimately, we want to bring that same web experience to the app, so we are super excited that we've finally released this update to support LearnDash comments into the app. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section below, and we really would urge for you to have any other suggestions, whether it's enhancements or something entirely new. Head along to our roadmap at buddyboss.com/roadmap. There you can upvote existing cards or add your own suggestions.